Hi everyone, welcome back to Cam's Toy Box. Today we have more vending machine surprises. We have a whole bunch of stuff in here. We have Mashems and FASHEMS. We have chocolate surprise eggs, Kinder eggs. We even have these new Trolls capsules. We have a Shopkins egg, some more Shopkins. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what we get. I really hope we get one of these Trolls capsules. It's near the bottom, so maybe we'll get one. All right, let me get my quarters ready. 1, 2 coins. Let's see what we got. It's a Littlest Pet Shop FASHEMS. Awesome. And inside is Olive Shellstein. Hi, Olive. Super squishy. Super squishy. Oh, cool. I can't wait to see what we get next. 2 more coins. 1, 2. Whoa, it's a Kinder chocolate surprise egg. Pop. Let's see the flyer. It's a mix art surprise. And it looks like it's a little bunny with a crayon hand. Aw, yeah, he's got a crayon hand and he's got a little crayon leg. You could put him in his stand and then you can draw with him. You can color on your paper. Very cool. That is really cute. Okay, let's get more quarters, more coins. 2 more. Can't wait to see what we get next. Oh, it is Finding Dory Mashems from Series 1. Oh, I love Finding Dory. I really hope I find Dory. Let's see who's inside. It's not Dory. It is Marlin. Well, he's a really good friend of Dory's anyway, right? He really helps her. Hi, Marlin. Very cool. Okay, let's get more coins. Oh, I'm really hoping for that Trolls capsule. Hope I get one. And up, it's a Chupa Chups from the Winx Club. That's cool, I like these too. Just love these Chupa Chups. Oh, that yummy chocolate. Oh, so good. Let's see who we have inside. Here's the flyer. All the different things you can get inside. And this is Musa with that pretty purple hair that she has. Oh, I just love that color. You see her there? Very cool. Okay. Let's get 2 more coins. See who we get next. 1 and 2. What's it gonna be? Yay! It's what I wanted. I'm so excited. It's a Trolls capsule. This is just my favorite movie right now. All right, let's see what we have inside. Who is it? I can't wait. It's Cooper. Awesome. Oh, I just love these trolls. They just make me happy all the time. They're just so colorful. And I love that they give warm hugs all the time. Kind of remind me of Olaf. Awesome. Yay, we got the one I wanted. All right, let's see. We're going to do one more. Maybe we'll get something that you liked, something that you saw. And it is a Mickey Mouse chocolate surprise egg. And inside we have Minnie Mouse. Hi, Minnie. Aw, I just love this vending machine. It's so cool getting all these prizes. And there's the flyer for Minnie Mouse. So cool. Okay, I'm out of coins today. Hopefully I'll get some more tomorrow and we can do some more surprises then. I can't wait to see ya. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.